2, 1, go!
So
you guys know USR. Unique style racing. All my TL owners know who that is. Check. Bad
wow.
boys. So much bigger. We got the NSX taillights.
Look at them. So put them side by
look
side.
at the before and the after right there.
We got the NSX taillights, man. These are gonna slap. These are gonna go crazy. We're about to install them right now. We're gonna bring you guys through the process. You guys are gonna love it.
Alright, first things first, remove the
trunk liner.
The liner.
So you can get access to the bolts back
on
here.
both sides behind the taillights.
Like that.
Yeah, that goes off. And then you pull from the sides. It's very simple, guys. Don't be afraid to attack this yourselves. Yeah, we don't really know what we're doing, but we know what we're doing. Trust us. Probably look for another YouTube video, but honestly, this is probably the best YouTube video you're ever gonna find in the world.
If you guys
best ever.
If you guys want a tutorial, this is not your video.
If you guys want a tutorial, this is definitely not your video.
If you guys want a tutorial, this is definitely not your video.
But we're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through it. What's that word?
This bitch is clean as fuck.
Go through it briefly. We're not gonna do step by step like Chris Fix, but it should give you an idea on how to. This should give you an idea how this gets done. All right, yo, it's been pulled off the liner, and right here. Wait, where are they? It's right there, right? Those are what are those? 2, 3 bolts?
I think it's like 3. Oh no.
Wait. Oh yeah, also here. I was looking there. Nah, but this. Yeah, they're probably smaller than 10s. This. Any bolt, just remove it.
Guys, it's actually 8mm.
8mm.
Yeah.
Bolts. 4 nuts, honestly, not bolts. And there you go, got the bulb right there. We're gonna remove the bulb, right?
The bulb?
Yeah, these are LED taillights, so the bulb has to be removed. All right, taillights being installed right now, as you're seeing it with your 2 eyes, maybe 1 eye.
Straight, not like crooked like that.
No, because but no, I'm not trying. I want this.
I think it was pretty secure.
This looks. All right, we're gonna go to another plan
So
because.
if you're at the bottom, you gotta turn it counterclockwise.
Shut up. So basically, guys, we kind of messed up. We're supposed to take off the rear bumper in order to install this. You don't have to, but we choose to because it's a lot easier to install a taillight.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Let me explain it. So you'll see in other YouTube videos, people cut these tabs off, and as you guys can see on this one, these are also cut. Like you guys can see, these are shortened. These are a lot longer than those ones. And the reason people do that is because this actually needs to be secured into here. But I want this to be secured, so I'm gonna leave those brackets on there, and we're just gonna take off the bumper. It should be really quick.
So the wheel has been removed, guys.
I gotta find the Phillips head now.
Damn, this shit's dirty as
It
hell.
makes it look worse on camera.
It looks so much worse on camera. The white is so defined. Yo, we got the taillight on.
Look at the other
Look how
one.
cool that looks. All right. This is what the actual taillight look, the aftermarket one, and then this is the. Ew, fuck is that, bro? Look at it.
Yo, wait, there's not even a turn signal on.
Shut up. Wait, we gotta see.
It's got the car's not on.
You gotta do the hazards.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, they're red?
Nah, I think that turns. Hold up,
Those are red, bro.
When you put it in reverse, you gotta turn it on though.
This is what it looks like on this side. That's where the turn signal is.
Wait, what's the brake light? I think it just brakes more. Right?
That looks
It's the same
insane.
thing as a
It just
hazard.
brakes more. Oh, it's the same thing as the hazard.
Yeah. So
See these
this
wheels?
is the other
guys.
taillight.
Guys, so as you guys saw, we put that tail light in, and that took us a while because you guys can tell it's dark now. And so basically, what you guys have to do that we weren't doing is you have to break these. That came off clean. You got to break these tabs off down here because otherwise you'd have to take off the bumper. And if you guys are fine with taking off the bumper, that's fine. But make sure that it hasn't been installed by anyone else other than you, because sometimes people.
All right, basically this
The person who installed this bumper last time, they put like some weird rivet in it that basically you'd have to break that off. And I don't want to break anything off, so we're just gonna break these tabs off instead. And this will make it way easier, and you guys could also interchange the headlights out a lot more.
Yeah, I mean, we're breaking those tabs or whatever. Those tabs would not really affect the taillights, honestly, at all. To be honest, just fucking break them shits if you don't want to take off your bumper. Don't say this is rice, because this is not rice. We're fabbing it up.
We get the shit.
Alright, we're working on the other side right now, removing the 4 bolts.
I just dropped one down there.
4 nuts.
Which we're gonna pick up
These
later.
nuts. Remove the old tail light. Musty, dusty, crusty.
Alright guys, the car's just dirty right now. You know. Leave me alone.
Guys, we yanked this motherfucker out. Look at that. Oh.
I broke that shit a little bit.
Yeah, we put a hole in the on the tail light. If anyone wants some, oh my god, you just fucking placed it on the ground. If anyone wants some mint conditioned tail lights,
Mint, guys. No
they're
hole,
mint.
No hole. Never used before.
There's no hole in it. Hit us up. Hit us up on our ShqipeBoys TikTok.
Okay, guys, so we're installing this right now.
Now we're installing the new tail light in.
It should be easier.
That should be a breeze, because we also remove those bottom tabs. Just push it in. Align the holes up because they're not aligned. This top, this hole up here is not aligned. This top one over here, or bottom one. You don't align it. There you go. There you go. Yeah, all of them are aligned. Nice. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holes aligned, screws aligned. Now the bolts go, the wires connect. This is all plug and play. If y'all want the link for these, let us know. Put it back in the video. All right, guys, we forgot to tell you. You see this little
This is the bulb.
the bulb. We have to remove the bulb because we need that bottom piece.
You need this.
What do you call that?
You need the connector.
You need the connector
This,
piece.
I think it's called the grommet or something. I don't even know.
That's not a
But
ground.
this connector right here, you need that. You guys don't need the bolt anymore. You can throw it out. But this, you guys just want to make sure that you need to plug this into this right here.
That's
So this part
aftermarket.
goes into there.
That's the aftermarket wiring.
Yeah, that's the one
Now you
from
just
the
want
new.
to put it on top
And
and
then
then
you
connect.
plug this in here. So it's 2 connections. That's one. And then you take this other one. This is from the car, and then this goes into the bottom one
From
the
the
headlight.
taillights themselves.
Yeah.
And
And
now
then this one right here, you guys just tape on right here somewhere.
tape
anywhere,
it
anywhere
if you
guys
wanted to shake around.
Because this is
the
gonna make
car.
noise, so you definitely want to tape this down.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys.
And
that's all
now-
it takes.
now you
just
have
gotta
to-
screw these back on.
Yeah, screw them on and then put the liner back and you're good. Delicious. Up to our local gas station with the best lighting. And here are the taillights. Right here. Yep.
NSX style.
We can't get the car cleaned because
As you guys can see.
closed. Too cold. Yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this installment, and we're gonna be installing more mods to this car in the near future. Yo, 20! Yo, 20! Alright! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go!
This is Raven.